Good morning, guys. Welcome back to Melo Trade channel. Just preparing before New York Open for Bitcoin. What we have here, it's everything is directly bullish. Break of structure to the upside on the 50-minute. But I'll show you what I found out on ETH. So basically, what happened here on Bitcoin, we got bounced from the 786. Let's hide this one. uh, Basically from that last low to the high, and you got bounce from the 786. So that's good. That's the last level of support before we break in this, because we don't need to break this to take it structurally bearish. So we kept the structurally bullish intact. The 1 hour, it has to break this high to go back to the previous 4 hour. Okay, we have some work to do. The only problem is, as of right now, we are rejecting from the uh, 618 right here, from the previous from yesterday. We're rejecting from that pool, and we're coming back to uh, this 618, the local 618. So we're gonna watch and see what is gonna fold. But so far, structurally up on the 15-minute, uh, right here, and I'll count the structure here for you guys. So basically, we have uh, low, we have high, and then we have low, then we have high, low, high, low, quick high and low, higher highs, higher lows, and we have it till here. This is the structure break if we want to break it, and this is the high as of right now. So we're allowed to go all the way here to 104,300 before we break structure. So let's keep an eye on that, and we see what I saw on uh, we're rejecting a little bit from this order block right here. I'll show you on the other chart, the MACD chart right here. We're rejecting from that order block as of right now. I'm tracking this momentum on the 3 minute. It looks like we just broke that momentum, and I'm tracking this high momentum and this high momentum. Let's see our reaction here. We have a little bit volume here, so that might hold the price for us. We'll see. But the tail, I think, is the ETH structurally, on the 15-minute. It's all the way. This is the low, this is the 15 low, and this is the 15 high. um so you're basically allowed to go all the way to a day open, basically losing all this momentum, and then bounce. Now we're a little bit above value area high, so we don't want to lose that. This is a very important area right here at 3,488. We don't want to do that, but basically what's happening, we're uh, getting rejected from the local 618, and then the 15 low is right here. So it could tell us a tell today that we're going down at the market open. Basically, ETH is for ETH is up for percent for the day, and it might just get wiped out. On Solana, Solana is much weaker, guys. It's not even at the value area high. The local 618 is right here. So we're basically, I don't think we even touched that. Yeah, we touched that order block. We're rejecting the 15-minute on Solana is a little bit closer than the on ETH. So we might come back to the point of control here. Um, and then we SFP that high, and then we go. I'm looking at ETH, and it's telling me we might have a downside today. Basically, Asia pumped us, and we might have a dump in New York open. Right here, we're holding the value area high. We don't want to lose this level. If we lost this level, it's going to be bad. We have a 618 local right here. We don't want to lose that. And if we lose that, we're going to day open. And then we front run the 618. So you might have, before taking that low, to flip bearish, you might have a come down here, 6 Fibonacci with the point of control, and then you pump a little bit. You just come back to that 618 on the reverse, and then you come down. So let's see what's gonna unfold today. I'm worrying about the ETH chart. It's telling me maybe we have a downturn today. I wish not. I wish we just continue. On ETH, we have an early break on the 15-minute. Um, I saw this. No, not on ETH. I think it's on Solana. The early break. Yeah. This is not a quiet break, but this is an early break on Solana. So um, a lot of pieces together. Here we still intact. We SFP this low right here, and this is the true low it needs to go. Hopefully we just SFP that low. We kept going, and then I don't know. Most likely we're gonna be rejecting from the 618. I don't know if in New York gonna do that, or in New York gonna just dump us to recover all that inefficiency, and then Asia just pump us to the 618 just to take that liquidity again, and then we go down. Let's see what's gonna happen. We're preparing for all the scenarios. As of right now, on the 3 minute, we can um, let's count the 3 minute. I haven't even take a look at it. We have high, not even, guys, not even. We don't have a low. We have a high here. We have a low. We have another high, break of structure, and now we have this low, this high, and this low. We kind of like we broke here. So let's see the reaction as of right now for this order block right here. We're coming back to it as the second. At the second, we're coming back here. Let's see that reaction. This order block, it might just get rejected from that bigger order block. Um, Look like we're closing out of it. I wanted this order block, but we'll see. We're at first standard deviation, but we close on top of it, so that's a good news, and we might just continue. Um, if we reject it all the way here, we might just come back here. As of right now, 3 minute structure to the downside until you take this high right here. So that will be your 3 minute high, and that will be your 3 minute low to go by the 3 minute. Right here, you don't have a structure change. It's very weak, guys. I don't know. I don't know if I should consider that as structure change. Maybe, maybe not. But again, we'll see it by ear. If we lose that level again, then it's a short city for today. But it's 8:30. We have an hour until New York Open. Now, if we look at the news calendar here, um, go to the three impact. We have all the inflation data should come out today, but because the government shut down, and of course they're gonna open if they want to open. I think they're gonna open tomorrow, so not today, so they don't give us the inflation data. So no inflation data for October because of government shutdown. Uh, so we don't have any news reaction or anything. So don't worry about that. Hopefully they open tomorrow. It doesn't look like it's scheduled to open, but we'll see what's gonna happen. Uh, yeah, we're rejecting from the last order block, and we're gonna see. It's nothing I would take as before New York Open. I'm just observing the market structures as of right now, and we go and we see what's gonna happen. Your friend Melo Trade. See you guys on the live. Hopefully by 4 o'clock. Bye bye for now.